Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 8th and subject science. In that, chapter number 1 and chapter number 1 name is crop productions and management. In the previous 4 videos, we have seen up to in part 4 we have seen up to main 11. Today we'll see the main 12. Answer the following questions in detail, 4 marks each. Number 1. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. Now see, the answer is the supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. Methods of irrigation which conserve water are as follows. Number 1. Sprinkler system. This system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinkler is very useful for the sandy soil. Now number 2, drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots. So, it is called drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. The system provides water to plants drop by drop. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in regions where availability of water is poor. Now see the number 2. Write a short note on harvesting. Answer is the cutting of a crop after it is mature. It is called harvesting. Now see the next page. It is an important function. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. In our country, harvesting is either done manually by sickle or by machines called harvester. Now see the activities. Number 1. To separate damaged seeds from given seeds. Here apparatus and materials are beaker, water, wheat, seeds. And procedure. Take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Put a handful of wheat seeds and stir well. Wait for some time. Note your observations and derive your conclusion. Observation is, few seeds are seen floating on the water. Conclusion is, damaged seeds become hollow and are lighter, therefore they float on water. Now see the number 2. To demonstrate that both the manure and fertilizers are required for better growth of plant. Apparatus and materials are 3 vessels or glasses, water, cattle dung, manure, urea, mung or gram seeds. Now see the next page. In this way you have to plant a plant. Now see the pot A with the cattle dung manure, pot B with the urea, it's a fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, and pot C without adding anything. Now see the procedure. Take mung or gram seeds and germinate them. Select 3 equal size seedlings out of these. Now take 3 similar vessels and mark them A, B and C. Add a little amount of soil mixed with a little cow dung manure in the vessel A, this one. Now see, put the same amount of soil mixed with a little urea in the vessel B. Now see, take the same amount of the soil in a vessel C without adding anything. Now pour the same amount of water in each glass and plant the seedling in them. Keep them in a safe place and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days, observe their growth. Now see the observation. Plant growth is fastest in vessel B. Plant growth is better in vessel A, but in vessel C, plant growth is slowest. Conclusion is that manure and fertilizers are required for plant growth. Now see the third one. Animals provide us with different kind of food. Here the food are given and sources of animals, names of animals are given. Milk Milk we get from cow, buffalo, sea goat, sea camel. Meat we get from sea goat, cow and hen. Eggs, hen, duck. Fish, various types of fishes. Conclusion is that, like plants, animals also provide us with different kinds of food. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.